अब उसके जब बोलते तब हाथ उठा। हाय फ्रेंड्स, चैलेंज कर लो।
इसका ओवर एक्टिंग।
Good evening, guys. So this what crazy thing we've been trying to do since the evening is we're trying to lift this. That is all, and we are having I am having difficulty in lifting this, and it is a challenge which was given to us by Shraddha's brother-in-law Santosh. I know you're going to see this. Surprisingly, it is extremely difficult. Okay, we'll just show you this challenge, and I'm pretty sure all of you should try this. Make sure everybody at your home tries this as well. It's a fact that almost all women are able to do it, but 99% of the guys are actually struggling with this. So I couldn't do it, and Srujan is able to somehow pull this off. It is not about strength.
Yeah.
Sorry?
Mama did it, na?
All the women are able to do it. It is only the guys. So try it. Do it. And if you're successful or unsuccessful, comment below and let us know. Ready to try, Srujan?
I'll always win, dude. So.
I know this challenge he's been doing it. Okay, so now we'll show you how to go about this challenge.
Contestant number 1.
Okay, so you need to take.
My voice will not be audible.
Yeah, so I'll explain, and you do the steps.
Okay.
So take 2 foot distance basically.
1, 2.
And stand there. Now bend and touch your head against the wall.
Okay.
Now hold this tool in your hands.
Against my chest. Right?
Against your chest. And lift it in the way we are going to show you now. Lift.
Come on.
No.
It's okay. Do it again. It stop now. Then you went there. Yeah.
But don't stop.
Okay.
Cut it.
Attempt number 2.
Yeah. ओए चीटिंग नहीं करने का, सीधा सीधा।
मैं फोल्ड नहीं कर रहा हूँ। बट शू थोड़ा लंबा है।
हाँ, it's okay.
हाँ ठीक है भाई।
जितना लंबा है उतना लंबा है।
निकाल दे वरना जूते।
Disgusting feet.
Attempt number 2.
Holy God.
Nice.
Yeah.
He is successful. Shraddha, you want to do it?
Yeah, of course.
You're next.
Santosh, in your face.
So contestant number 2.
Oh, yeah. Surprisingly, women.
पक्का शॉक हो जाएगा तू कैसे किया।
Surprisingly, women are able to do it with ease, eh? 1 foot, 2 foot. Cool. Piece of cake, eh? and now I'm gonna try it, and I couldn't do it even once.
Contestant number 3.
खुद बोलना हौला।
Number 3, whatever it is. Okay. Yappa.
Come on, Rohit. Don't bend your knees.
చచ్చింది గొర్రె.
Bend knees, bend. Santosh, you couldn't do. My dog is not good.
हाँ, okay, you cannot do it anymore. चल. Want to give another attempt?
Yeah, I'll try one more time.
Attempt number 2.
Boy. Oy.
Okay. Tell you this at the end of the video. Please continue watching this. We're going to talk about the cars we have, about how they aged, and at the end of the video we'll tell you why is this not possible by most of the men, and see you again in the car. Bye.
Hi guys, we తలపేసేలా
AC
ఏసీ ఎలా
అవసరం లేదు. AC sound మొత్తం రికార్డ్ అయిపోతుంది.
So currently we are in almost 2-year-old Creta.
This June it will turn 2.
Yeah, June ending it will turn 2. So
How much have we clocked on it so far?
25,000 kilometers.
So
27,000 kilometers.
we've done 27,400 kilometers on this car so far.
So we are in a 2-year-old Creta. This is my daily driver.
And don't mind us, we are a little dirty, we are very sweaty because we can't turn on the AC. We are using the stock mic of the GoPro and we cannot turn on the AC because that is the only sound which you're going to hear otherwise. So please spare us, we are looking very dirty now, but yeah.
That's okay. To be very honest, I'm not a fond of this car. This was not my choice. My
Srujan wanted
a Jeep Compass.
Yeah, Jeep Compass.
But at that point of time, in the Jeep Compass there was no automatic. So mind you, all the cars we have are automatic cars, automatic diesel cars.
The reason for that is Shraddha doesn't know how to drive a manual shift car. So keeping that in mind, we wanted an automatic and diesel because our cars roam around quite a lot. In 2 years time we did 27,000 kilometers on this car.
True.
So mostly it is 90% of city usage.
So this car, the most important thing is returning 9.6 per liter. That's quite low.
Yeah.
That's
So as you see, this is the dash of the and it returns only 9.6, which is very surprising to us here.
That's
so
very
because we expected
somewhere around 12 or 13.
Yeah, so 9.6 for a diesel car is very less. So remember that, or mind you, when you're actually looking for the Creta, although this model has been changed, even in the newer version, this is what we've been getting around less than 10 for sure on this car. So it is very, very disappointing in that front. It is a gas guzzler.
And yeah, the power is okay, it's adequate and all, and it doesn't give you that energy or a boost if you want to start toting at higher speeds. It's a very mellow type of a car, but it has a lot of
gadgets, gizmos, whatever you want to call it, for the pricing.
A lot of features.
So when we purchased the car, it costed us about 18.5 lakh rupees.
Yes.
And this is, again, mind you, the top spec version. It's got Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Just a second. It's outside and I can't take them inside here. It's very, 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 very hot. For a minute. Hi, Namu. Welcome the boss baby. Yeah. So continuing.
This is the only car he can travel in.
Yeah.
Isofix seat says.
Yeah, this is the only car we have Isofix mountings on. The other two cars which we...
It's squirrels. Chill man. Squirrels. They were fighting.
Sorry.
ये आया तो एक टॉपिक हो गया ना क्लियर.
हाँ. So Isofix mounts are available. So you can put 2 car seats behind the driver and the passenger. So how to fix that, we'll show it to you a little later. So tell bye bye to this little monster. Boss baby, bye.
This is not a review kind of a thing where you can watch Autocar or Power Drift or some other channel for the car review, but I'm going to say the bad parts of this.
Good as well, yeah.
Good as well, yeah. So this is a top spec variant. My other 2 cars, can you show the camera? The other 2 cars have this auto dimming rear view mirror feature, but this thing is a manual. So other cars have an automatic auto dimming feature. I'm going to show you how that works. What?
It's got, again, fully adjustable. All those are there. Manually adjustable seating, mind you. It's got
auto climate.
Yeah, it's got a climate control. This is the only car which we have which has got a sunroof.
Chotu sa.
Chotu wala. And how useful is it? Not really.
We cannot fit in that.
Forget about fitting in that. What is the use of sunroof in a country like India?
How?
It is not even safe. Okay, other than the view, other than that, it will get very dirty. It look very, look at this. The car is very clean, and still, if you see that, it is dirty. a lot of dirt and all accumulates on it. So I don't.
I like it.
I don't like this sunroof.
I like. Right, this car is aged pretty well.
Yeah,
in the past 2 years, that is the most important thing. This car has aged pretty well.
it is held up.
Yeah, it's not rattling. The suspension is still good. The mileage is always that.
The biggest problem is that basically in this car so far what we
we never faced any problem with this car as of now. Yeah, pretty much that's it.
So,
2 years, good to go. I'm pretty sure I'm going to keep this car for another 2 years. Uske baad we are planning to sell this off.
Yeah, but as we see it, the quality is very good. I don't know, Hyundai's a few years past and now there's been a huge improvement, especially in the build quality and the robustness of the materials used. So it doesn't look like a 2-year-old car. So it held up very, very well. We are very happy.
The service network is also amazing.
Yeah.
Resale value is pretty good. Yeah, pretty much. So, let's hop on to the next car.
Yeah, backseat comfort is decent again. It's
better than those two, right?
Yeah, better than Again, it's a bigger car than those two.
Hi. So now we are in a 4-year-old Hyundai Verna.
Yeah, this September it's gonna turn 4. Okay. So almost 4-year-old Verna.
Just close the door. So even this car has aged pretty well. It is not very good to drive because the brakes are not that good. The transmission is also not that good.
It's a very old transmission. It's a 4-speed transmission, variable torque transmission, which is outdated technology if you ask me as of today.
Okay.
And again, whiskey always with us. It's a 4-year-old transmission, a 4-year-old car, very old technology on the transmission. Gives us a mileage of
10.7.
10.7 as you see, and this car has ridden 36,000 kilometers so far.
This car is predominantly ridden inside the city, and this is Shraddha's car, Shraddha's and Rohit's car. But from the past 3-4 months, 4 months, this has been my car, and Shraddha and Rohit have been using the Creta because of
Agastya. Basically, whenever we need to move Agastya and around, we need more safety, and this car doesn't have that, and a little disappointed in that front. When you're spending about, this is just shy of 16 lakhs, 15.8 lakhs or something we spent on this car when we purchased it. So again, safety, child safety in India unfortunately was not given that much of an importance. Again, safety in its own perspective. Right? Yeah, now I think ISOFIX is made mandatory in all cars.
Yes, and upon that Creta has 2 airbags. And this car has 6 airbags.
Yeah.
And I don't know why, just turn the camera. And they have 6 airbags. And this is the feature I'm talking about. This is an auto dimming rear view mirror. It's a neat feature. You don't have to adjust it manually every time. It will automatically get adjusted every time.
The biggest problem with this car we faced is the ground clearance. So it is very low. The ground clearance is very low compared to the other cars we have. We've scraped the bottom of this car plenty of times here.
And not only that, in the past 4 years, we have this car from 4 years, right? In the past 4 years, now we are facing suspension issues.
Yeah, so the ball bearings and the suspension are actually wearing out now. Again, it's 36,000 kilometers. Again, it's time to change. I won't blame the car for that. But
I don't think so, dude. Even that car is roamed about 50 or 60,000 kilometers, and the suspension is better than this.
Okay.
Still, this car is aged much better when compared to the Vento. Way better than the Vento.
As in, everything's still in place. Yeah, there's nothing which is rattling inside the cockpit.
Except for the suspension, everything is perfect.
Yeah, and the seating space.
You sit very low on this.
Yeah, so you have your knees up position. So if you're an elderly person, you'll find it a little uncomfortable for you. It's a little, in the sense that it's a little difficult for them to get in and get out of this car because you sit very low.
Yeah.
So you basically have to climb out of the car when you're actually getting out. The boot space is pretty big. You won't have an issue with that. Again, fully adjustable seats, manually adjustable again. And
there's one more thing I always face personally. I have a problem with, I don't know why, Hyundai rear suspension or the suspension setup. Whenever I sit in a Hyundai, the rear seat of a Hyundai, I get nausea. I get dizziness. I cannot. I feel pukish and all. I don't know why. It only happens in a Hyundai.
Again, they have a very soft suspension setup. Most of the Hyundai.
It wobbles a lot. At least the rear end of the car, it wobbles a lot. Because of that, I get nauseous.
And Srijan was actually talking about the braking system on this car. What actually surprised us is, just a second here. Yeah, Srijan was actually talking about the braking system of this car being a little bad. It is still, I'm telling you, this car has got discs on all four sides. The new Verna is actually even worse. It's a very surprising.
3 months Verna.
Yeah,
right?
3 months Verna. It's got drum brakes at the back. So I don't know why have they done that. And Sriman's is also the same version.
It's a top end spec automatic.
And his car has got 2 airbags.
Yeah.
This has got 6. So why has Hyundai done that? Cost cutting measure and actually reducing safety is completely out of my mind. But as a city car, we are very happy with this. If you're not going on the highway, if you're using it for city purposes, this particular Verna is good. And if you actually look at the complete the dashboard and everything is in place and everything is strong. See, nothing moves. So in that sense, everything is great.
I also want to address one more thing. So we actually wanted to buy Seltos. Everyone knew that, right? We wanted to sell this car and buy Seltos, but because we looked at the condition of the car, we made some assumptions and all. Only if we just change the suspension, change the ball bearings of the suspension, and this car is pretty much new. There's nothing wrong with this car, and that is the main reason why we went and purchased the Ducati. This is my dad's car, and he rides only this car. He doesn't touch another car, and we don't touch his car. Yeah, so the major problem with this car, you see this? There was actually a logo here, Volkswagen logo, you can see in the rear tire. That fell off. The Volkswagen logo over here fell off. Like Rohit said earlier, that this car, this Vento and the Verna were purchased on the same day. So that was actually approximately 4 years ago. And what is the general presumption? That German cars, European cars are much well built, right? But that is not the case. At least Vento, Volkswagen, it's a German made, right? Just turn on the camera over there. Let's show them what happens. What's wrong with this car?
1 second.
Yeah, this is what is this?
AC vent direction.
Yeah. This is the
flow direction.
The flow direction for the AC vent, right? This is broken, so this is only fixed to this way, and over here
it is completely
it's completely gone. This thing is completely gone, and
this side,
the entire
vent comes out like that. So which is the most funniest thing. And this is not the first set.
This is the second set actually.
This is the second set, mind you. So this is how bad the quality on this is. And we had a Vento before this. We sold that Vento and we purchased this because the quality of the older Vento was good.
Was much better. Was crazy.
It was actually really good. We sold that car and purchased the same car. It was, the older one was a manual. And this one is an automatic. The old one, the quality was really good, and because of that, and the dog went outside the window. Oopsie. So yeah, the old one was really good, and all these, what we're showing you, never happened that we owned that car for a period of 3 years. Never happened in that time.
And this car, in a period of 4 years, we are ready to change the 4th set. Before selling, we actually have to change, and this light switch was also gone. This is
this light switch
that was
this comes off to the hand, and it is very
the rear view automatically adjustable thing. This thing, dude. Yeah, that knob was gone. That is like we actually glued it with Fevistick.
So it is surprising at how bad the quality of Volkswagen is, Forget about the Dieselgate and all which has happened, which has tantered their image. But the build quality on this car is pathetic. It is surprising.
It's gone worse. I mean, yeah. Right after lockdown, probably will.
So see, this is how the car looks. This car is about how many? 60,000 kilometers old.
50,000.
50,000 kilometers old, but it is
55.
It is 54,500 kilometers old, and it is gone. It is stupid. I don't know what has this company done with the quality of their products, but it is pathetic. It has gone to an extent where I stopped believing in Volkswagen. I stopped believing in, again, yeah, VW is a brand which owns big they own Porsche, they own Bugatti, they own Lamborghini,
they own everything.
yeah, they own everything, and this kind of quality is not expected from a brand like this.
I don't think so even Maruti ka cars ko aisa problem hoga. They what happened?
A dog.
Car we are actually planning to sell it off in by July ending or August first week. This is gone, yaar.
Yeah, so there are definitely a few amazing things about this car. The engine, it is noisy, that is there, but it is a gem of an engine. It is very strong, very powerful. The gearbox is amazing. It's a DSG.
The mileage it gives out,
yeah,
the output it gives,
if you actually cruise at 80 kilometers per hour, it gives you close to 20 plus
23.
Yeah, so you don't expect that kind of mileage in any. Again, comparing this to my other two cars, which give about on the highway about 13-14 max.
This gives 23.
This gives 23
but,
if you're cruising at 80.
But if you are a genuine customer who wants to buy one car, I'm not going to suggest you to buy a Volkswagen Vento for sure. Yeah. Because looking at this quality, who will believe this is a 15 lakh car? Because the AC vents are falling out, dude. And I guess कुछ ये भी टूटी है यार.
हाँ, they भी this whole center whatever pedestal thing. Yeah, this.
The GoPro is dead anyways.
The GoPro, it's got 50% battery, dude. What's up? The reason why we have come out of the car is the GoPro.
Why is it too hot? Does it get too hot?
Yeah, GoPro gets hot. The GoPro turned off because it was too hot. And I was not joking. It was actually burning my hand. Like, my fingers are actually hurting. It gets that hot. I didn't know this about action cameras. Huh? If somebody's planning on them, make sure you have enough ventilation to those things, bloody. Freaking thing.
So yeah, just to complete the video, we are actually planning and looking at to sell the Vento immediately after the lockdown, and
so yeah, again, it is very surprising. Yeah, it was such a beautiful car. You know, imagine nobody does that. We sold a Vento and purchased another Vento just because we were that very happy with that vehicle, and the very next generation or whatever you want to call it. So it has become so bad that things are falling apart. See, outside the body, everything is fine.
It's all because of cost cutting, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
And everything of the car is the same, right?
Yeah.
From past 8 years now,
Possibly,
7 or 8 years. So yeah, that's taking a big toll right now. And
so again, we'll just go back up and show you that you know,
why and how that is not possible for guys.
Yeah, so we'll just go there, we'll talk to you there, and then we'll say bye bye and meet you again in the next video. See ya. So why is it actually difficult to do that? The theories which we have come up with, men have slightly longer feet. So
भैया पासपोर्ट साइज फोटो ले लेना.
हाँ.
क्यों ऐसे एक बंदा बोल सकता है?
So men have slightly longer feet, so it becomes a little more difficult for us to do it. To prove this, we will tell these both, because they're able to do it, to increase it by another half a foot length, and whether they can do it or not. Let's see that now. Okie dokie.
And I'll be taking half more.
Huh.
Right?
Yes.
I'm sure I'll be not able to lift.
Try.
No, I can't. I can't.
क्या कर रहे हो?
उठने की कोशिश.
Suju.
That's not half.
That's half.
पाव है पाव.
बस इधर?
थोड़ा हाँ हाँ ठीक है. क्लोजअप उसका शक्ल दिखा
घंटा हुआ उसको हाथ लगा दिया दीवार पे. So I hope you like this video. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment below. We'll be looking forward to the comments on this. Please do try it. Till the next time, bye. Ciao.
Bye bye. Toodles. बोलना वैसे.